Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about a company that everyone knows and maybe even loves. Volkswagen is the largest employer in Germany. So big, in fact, that they seem to have more employees than the building permit bureaucracy in Berlin. Yes, Volkswagen employs 660,000 people worldwide in 27 countries. And guess what? 29 factories. You get the picture, right? But here's the news that's a little less impressive. Volkswagen has decided to close 3 factories in Germany. And as a result, about 30,000 jobs, poof, have gone into oblivion. Yep, that's right. Imagine that. So many people becoming freelancers at the same time, like independent coffee and networking consultants. The German trade unions are probably already taking an apocalyptic view of this, and to be honest, that's understandable. But let's see how this will affect the real estate market. After all, these are not just 3 factories. These are 3 districts with people who bought, rented, plan to take out mortgages for the next century. In the affected regions, we can expect a drop in housing prices. After all, who will buy houses when all the neighbors suddenly decided to leave en masse for where there is work? But in Berlin, everything is more interesting. While the rest of Germany is sad about the lost factories, our beloved Berlin is preparing for an influx of new residents. Imagine, thousands of new job seekers are rushing to the capital to find work, housing, and of course, a queue to register at the Bürgeramt. So what about rent in Berlin? Yes, my dears, get ready. The queues to view apartments will become even longer. And rental rates? They are already giggling on the sidelines, rising higher and higher, like a good Berliner bagel on yeast. And finally, as for investors, oh, they are not having an easy time either. Who wants to invest in regions where everyone is packing their bags and moving to Berlin? I bet all my money that their interest is now directed to where people still want to live, and where rent, despite everything, continues to rise. That's the story. Volkswagen is cutting back. Real estate is on the rocks. Berlin is preparing for a new wave of immigrants. And us? We are still sitting and waiting for this madness to end. So friends, welcome to Germany in 2024, where layoffs are the new trend and housing is a dream that is becoming less and less achievable. Subscribe, like, leave comments, share,